Oh, hi. Welcome to Gambling with Grunk, with me. Before we start today's video, I want to just say, Dad, if you're watching, I know it was your 60th birthday last night. I was at the tables and we were drinking and we were smoking and I totally spaced out. But today we're going to be learning how to play roulette. But first, a quick message. Roulette's a very fun game that revolves around this wonderful wheel here. Of course, roulette is Latin for roulette, which means to convulse. Now you're going to want to place your bets on this nice felt table. This feels so good.
This is good. You can just sleep on this, right?
Let's put a bet for 6 and 0. That's how old you are now, Dad. That's old. So now that we placed our bets, the wheel can start to spin. And you can, oh right, you gotta put in a ball. Oh, let's see what we got here. So this one landed on 19, which is not what we bet on. We lose all of this. Oh man, these things are really good. I thought I would have been more on the ball with remembering your birthday, Dad, but I'm sorry. This one every year, and maybe I'll come by and say hi soon, Dad. Love you. Well, that's how you play roulette. I hope you guys had a learned a lot. Of course, follow me on Gambling with Grunk, and I'll see you in the next lesson.